What's going on, everybody? Morgan Cummins, Sandbed Performance. Just want to give a little update on the VG30, what I was working on tonight. So I've made a new heavier crank sensor bracket made out of, I think it's 3/16 or quarter, something like that, steel. Got all the edges, made it where it fits nice and flush up against the timing cover. Hardest part was setting this thing right here. Got it set with a 1 millimeter gap plus or minus 0.1 millimeters, which should be fine according to what I was reading. And also it's 60 degrees before tooth number 1, and that's where the DIY Auto-Tune said they wanted it set at for a 6-cylinder engine. So yeah, that's done. See how that is over there. You know, it don't look too bad. I mean, you know, I ain't no fabricator. But next step is going to be cam sensor bracket, and I believe I don't know if I'm going to remove that washer or I'm going to just grind the head of this down a little bit just to make it as close as possible to these, you know, like I said, plus minus 1 millimeter difference, 0.1 millimeter, I mean, difference between the two. And I believe this has got to be set at 1 millimeter as well. So I'll figure that out when I get to it, but yeah, so that's where we're at. I'm pretty sure I'm just going to come off of probably this little flat spot right here, bring a bracket out, and just go ahead and put it right here. That way it'll be one tooth behind the missing tooth on the rotation. So that's what I got today, so we'll see what I get tomorrow. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks.